its elevator. This is like a little LULA lift up to the Galleria Mall in Rochester. Little bitty, and it's a Schumacher too. Seems interesting. Here we go. That was actually really smooth. One. That works. That was actually really, really smooth. Here's your COP 1,400 pound capacity, Adams decorator buttons with an 88 phone on here. Look at that indicator. Schumachers always use that. A little bitty. Definitely not the tallest elevator, but I mean, it works. This actually runs really well for this kind of use. Let's take it on one more spin. Again, this is a Schumacher. Here we go. Here are two. One on one. Oh, that works. There are one. Look at that Schumacher plate. That's cool. Look at that little call button. All right, there it goes. And that'll be it.